Bonehead?
Hey, do you know about the USA?
You wish.
Do you know about the government? Can you tell me about the
Yeah,
Constitution?
yeah.
Hey,
Right.
learn about the
No.
USA.
Yeah, this is much better. See if I can see his name.
She's gonna use this area real quick.
That's good.
So I'll just give you a heads up so they might walk towards you or anything, okay?
Yeah,
So if they
I'll
walk towards
move
you,
if
just
they
come
walk
back a little
towards
bit as they
me.
come. Awesome.
Yeah,
Appreciate
no,
it.
how do you say your name?
Narvice? Narvice?
Narvice.
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah.
Your first
It's
name?
important. It's important to get names right.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
yes, I got you.
D Narvice.
Yes, sir.
What's your badge number?
787?
787.
Damien is my first name.
Oh, Damien.
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah. Only 3 numbers.
Yes, sir. 3 numbers.
Yeah, that's easy to remember. Is this a DUI? She's gonna do a DUI test.
Right now we don't know. She's still doing her investigation.
I mean, you said she's gonna use this area. It sounded like you did know.
So she's still doing her investigation. So we don't make any
Right,
decisions
right.
till afterwards. And
Right,
it's all
right.
her decision, not mine. So
Yeah, no, I understand. I was thrown off a little bit at first because you came up to the car and it seemed like you were taking over the stop, but then
yeah, no. It's her stop. She just, if you notice, we do certain things like reposition our vehicles.
Sure.
So we can catch this on the video cam.
Sure.
The more cameras, the better for us.
Yeah, you're probably going to turn off those lights too, right? Because you can't do a DUI test with the lights on.
No, you can.
Well, you can.
Yeah, you can do it with the lights on. We can't have any kind of flashing lights, so like her front lights are off.
Oh, it's the flashing
So
lights.
The front flashing lights are off, and you can get off.
Okay. All right. So are you an FTO? I can't see your other side. I can't see your other side, so I didn't know if you're a sergeant or an officer or what.
Just a patrol officer.
Okay. Yeah. We've never met, have we?
No, I took some time off from work for a while. I went out of state and stuff, so I just got back. So
Out of state?
yeah, so took a little vacation,
Oh, yeah?
a little de-stress and stuff.
How was it?
I was good, man, good. So, glad
Good
to be back.
vacation? You glad to be back?
Yeah, you know how it is. You take vacations for a little bit, you're kind of ready to get back in your routine,
Ready to get back in your routine?
Yes, sir.
All right. How long you been an officer, Narvice?
I've been here for about 2 years here at CALI, and I was at Hayes County for a couple of years at the correctional facility.
Oh, at the correctional facility. All right. 2 years on Kyle. How do you like it?
I like it, man. I like the city. So,
You like the city?
good people here in the city, man.
Good people here in the city?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you always wanted to be a police officer or what?
No, man. I was in the Marine Corps. I did 9 years in the Marine Corps.
9 years in the Marine Corps.
I did the Marine Corps. Did that around, man. I thought I was gonna do, yeah, I got licensed. I thought I was gonna do a career, military this years. Things change in life.
Things change in life.
And then, I went corrections, and then I saw, talked to a lot of officers working corrections and stuff, and then started, reading more about officers and stuff, and just kind of, went that direction, after being a lot of friends with officers, working corrections, you work with officers every single day when they come.
You work with officers every single day. I filmed the police. Pay attention to her, though. Pay attention to her, man. Look at her trying to solicit a complaint. Man, Gilliam, man. Every time she wants to stick her foot in her mouth. There's another stop over there. Alright, I'm gonna go see what that one's about. Okay, they're trying to do a lot over here. I don't think that guy's drunk. More morning. You guys are busy tonight doing 2 stops at the same time? Oh, all right, all right. I guess maybe he's going to talk to me. You guys are busy. You guys are trying to do all your stops at the same time, man?
No, we're not trying to do it at the same time.
I'm just messing with you.
Yeah. How you doing tonight?
I'm doing great, man. It seems like we've turned a new leaf with the department.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you know, I mean, it got a little contentious for a minute. Contentious.
With us? Like me?
No, not with you.
Oh, I was gonna say.
But it seemed like things were escalating, right? Sergeant Brahma actually threw me up on his hood.
Okay.
And, tried to talk that I was interfering, and it just seemed like things were escalating.
I'm good for it.
But no, I had a long talk with Schuler.
Okay.
And, Waters and Fleming. They always, I see them at Starbucks a lot, you know.
Yeah, they're good guys. Very
yeah. Good guys. And even Rainwater came and for the first time actually stopped just to talk to me.
Okay.
And that's great.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Communication is the key.
He's a good guy.
Yeah, he's a good guy, you know. And that's the thing. It's like I've never been your enemy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I've never had any issues with
I don't want to be, I'm not against you.
Yeah.
But I
think
am
the
against.
first one who actually stopped and talked to you, wasn't I? Or
No. I saw you over at Wendy's doing that stop, and you wouldn't give me your name. Remember?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. See, in that, I find very bad. We talked about that. You know what I mean? And we turned the corner, but
I finally stopped and talked to you, and then we got.
Yeah, I saw you at Whataburger.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And we had a conversation about that. You know.
Yeah.
And that's the kind of thing that it's like is a serious roadblock.
Yeah.
Right. And
I understand.
And I pride myself on my ability to turn those corners, break the walls, and get through it. You know what I mean? Because I'm really not you guys do the same thing, right? Like when you're dealing with a criminal, okay, there's many different approaches, many tactics.
Yeah.
But there's many of you.
Yeah.
And there's only one of me, right?
Okay.
Narvise. Thanks, Narvise. Have a good night. Yeah. But there's many tactics, and so you guys can play good cop, bad cop. But I'm just one.
Yeah.
Right? And so it's like one day I might have to do this tactic, to see what works, right?
Yeah.
Until you break the wall, you can't really get the truth.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. And you guys are trained, man. It's like trying to get answers out of you guys is the hardest.
Yeah.
Right? Because you're trained to be asking the questions.
Yeah, but there's some stuff that we can't talk about.
There's some stuff you can't talk about.
If it's like an investigation or something like that. Or
it's like an investigation.
We're not allowed to speak
about an open investigation.
What do you mean?
You're not allowed to speak about an open investigation.
We're investigating something.
Yeah.
We're not supposed to
So you've seen when I protested?
Well, I watch. Part of my job is watching the dash cam videos.
That's what I mean. Have you been watching them?
I've seen some of them.
That's fabulous, and you appreciate it, and you think I've been doing a good job. You say?
I think you have done a good job.
I like you. I like you. I like you. I like you.
Oh, thank God.
Realize by breaking the person curse. Yeah. Right.